The Quran differs from all other scriptures in being the authenticated and unadulterated Word of God. The Quran was revealed incrementally over a period of 23 years to Prophet Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. As soon as verses were uttered by the Prophet, they were memorized by his companions and scribed. At the time of the Prophet's death, the whole of the Quran was memorized by thousands of people and scribed in scattered pieces, exactly as was recited by the Prophet himself. 6 months after the Prophet's death, the first caliph asked a principal scribe of the Quran, Zayd bin Thabit, to make a collection of the scattered written parts of the Quran. Zayd was most scrupulous. He would accept only those writings that were recorded, not through hearsay, but directly as uttered by the Prophet in the presence of 2 witnesses, and which matched what he and others had memorized. This codex of the Quran was formally adopted in the dialect of the tribe of the Prophet, to the exclusion of other writings that were either personalized or written in the dialects of other Arab tribes. Diacritical and punctuation marks were later added to facilitate reading of the Quran by non-native speakers of Arabic. All other scriptures, though they were revealed by the one and only, very same God, were not meticulously recorded like the Quran. Translations and oral transmission of the Word of God is not the same as the unadulterated Word of God that is the Quran.